This is Cody Marquez's 66 Mustang. It's his daily driver, but he's also equipping it for the track too. He has a perfect product from FiTech for his car, which is the high fuel in-tank retrofit kit. Let's go talk with Ken and find out more about it. Hey Ken, let's talk about the high fuel intake retrofit kit.
Okay. Yeah, what we have here today is a in-tank retrofit kit for guys that have a carburetor style gas tank that want to put an EFI style pump into it.
This will fit virtually any tank, right?
Yeah, we made it adjustable and we've made this thing modular. So you've got these little extensions that screw on, and the billet adapter here, this thing will slide down, you put the sock on it, and we sell extensions, so this thing will slide down and up, and it's very universal.
Okay.
So this thing's a cool feature, and it's what we call the O-ring adapter. So if you've got like a fuel cell, or if you have a pump that has a tank with a little extra room on top of it, it's really cool because you could mount this thing on once and you don't need to ever buy a new gasket if you want to remove it and do any servicing or looking inside your tank, checking the foam out. So it's a really cool system to get in there, really well put together. All the parts and pieces come with it. We give you the oversized sock to go with it. Everything's really nice engineered, hard anodized, comes with all the push lock hoses, the good pumps. One of the nice features on this thing though that we have to talk about is the built-in regulator. So that really makes for a nice part. It allows you to run a single line up to the throttle body, up to the fuel rails, or you could run by putting in this block-off plate and taking out the regulator. You could use a regulator up on the rail or a regulator on the throttle body. And then you just run a return line back to either, if you're running it on the passenger or on the driver's side, you'd pick one of these ports as you return.
So Ken, EFI fuel pumps, are these things noisy or?
So what we've done is we've taken a 340-liter fuel pump, which is good to about 800 horsepower. And that's inside the fuel tank, so that's got constant cool fuel around it. And these things will just last forever. They're reliable and they make virtually no noise. I mean, you may hear a little bit when you turn the key on, but once you got that mean deep exhaust, you don't hear anything.
Can't beat that.
Yeah.